bricks, boy, I bust up. They found a plan to make it rich. Middle finger up, for a hater in this bitch, boy, on my side. Let's get it poppin' like some high fries. I told him fuck the runner, cause I'm trying to catch the top guy. Give it up. This is Coochie Van, don't do any truck. Say you got the soldier here, and we shoot it up. Niggas always capping nowadays, ain't nothing new. Pillow talking for the hoes, get capped for acting cool. Pistol packing double D's and all these hoes, we in the stew. You move on, bitches popping out just like a zoo.
What's up, homies? I didn't really get the vlog for y'all yesterday like I wanted to, cause it was so much shit going on, bro. Some bullshit. This trip has been crazy, but it's getting better. Bro, we had to wait for Shania's suitcase because they put it on the wrong flight, bro. What the fuck? Frontier, I'm never flying again with y'all. I'm gonna put a story time later. Probably on stream or on podcast, but y'all gonna hear that shit later. But we about to head to Old San Juan and vibe, alright? We about to vibe! Alright, y'all. We in Old San Juan right now, vlogging.
Alright, go.
We about to take some photos. I'm gonna show y'all later. Ooh, I'm already sweating.
You already sweating, bro?
Bro, I'm gonna use her fan because it. Look. You peep how she ended up still holding the bag.
Yeah.
What?
Nothing. Nah.
Comfortable with the bag like a purse.
she won't even dig it.
That's $3 for a fan, y'all. I swear.
Yeah, she
use her fan for 5 minutes.
But we out here vlogging and
That's a long
shit.
time, man. 5 minutes.
That's what I'm saying. I would be charging $3 a minute. Up, that's your minute. But yeah, it's so beautiful here. I just love Puerto Rico, bro. Look at all the colors, y'all. That's it. Okay, now you finally realized. I was hoping you wouldn't.
Well, now I did.
But that's how I was saying, Jay. I was saying, cause Jeff was like, y'all the same channel. I was like, yeah. But I was like, then I feel like I'm copying his little flow, cause he had the idea first.
I had the idea, but I don't know if I can commit the idea.
Oh, you don't know if you can execute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Later on. Because of the instrument.
Yeah. I want to take them to the pigeons.
Like,
excuse me. Look how beautiful it is. She's fucking magnificent. I'm about to take a few photos. Look at this. That's the thumbnail right there. Bro, I fucking love how beautiful it looks. Y'all, look at the fucking, hold on, I don't know if y'all can see him right now. He blend in. Look at this motherfucker over there. He just enjoying life over there. No. You don't see the, what the fuck is that, iguana? Look at that.
Where? Oh shit.
Look at him. He like, yo, you invaded my privacy. I'm just trying to eat, man. Look at him. Young boy. Yo, he dick in the grass. Look at him, y'all. Look at him dick that joint. He a big boy. Golly. Pause. Yo, what's up?
He got offended.
Why he look back when I say he a big boy? He like, yo, chill. It's just a little baby weight. Alright, now I'm gonna zoom out, y'all, because that shit crazy. That's my man Larry right there. Shout out to Larry. Bro, it's so fucking beautiful here, bro.
yo, no profile picture.
You say? Alright, but I need y'all to take some pictures of me too.
Alright, come on.
I'm ready. Alright, we about to go up here. Look at some more stuff. We just finished taking some elite photos and shit. Elite. Oh, they behind us. I had to make sure they had everything. We good. But you know what I'm saying? I got the vibes. I'll never lie. Talking to that bitch.
Okay.
She act like a dyke.
What?
But she wanted the dick.
Oh, shit.
So I bought out the Switch.
Oh, shit.
No Nintendo.
Oh, shit.
I don't pretend to. What? Fuck. I fucked it up. What? In a butt. What? Okay, we out. Damn. I ain't never been up here. Last time we didn't even come up here. Oh my god. I love seeing like history and shit. No man, no man, no man, no man.
No man habla español. James kept walking. I just kept walking. You don't.
Oh my god, this view is amazing. Look at all these like fucking shits right here. It was relocated to another part of the fortification, and this casemate was used as a storage room. That's fire. First of all,
Please don't be reading everything.
right.
I'm here to get a tan, eat some banging ass food, take some nice pictures, and go swimming.
So you don't like history, even though you from this is where your peoples are from. Shaking my head. Bro, this is a chill spot. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Imagine having your L.
Is it a quarter?
Oh, that definitely is. But look at this, y'all. Oh my god. This is a I love it here, bro. Come on, walk. Come on, walk. They don't. That's crazy. Record me next.
Wait, Dave, come get my camera. Come get my camera.
It's not even funny, bro. Why I run like this? Peep the run. Here comes Johnny. Look. Damn. Alright. Bro, I just love Puerto Rico, bro. How you feel about Puerto Rico?
Good about Puerto Rico.
Me too, bro. How you feel about Puerto Rico?
Shit good. Shit's hot.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Bro, imagine living here, bro.
It's recording, so.
Like seeing this every day, bro.
If you got a interesting conversation,
It wouldn't be as special.
No, it wouldn't be as special. It would just be like everywhere else. But like, bro, my goal is to get a summer home here, bro. That's my goal. One of my goals in life is to get a summer home here, bro.
Having a summer California.
Oh, not in California. Fuck that no. No, I said like a fucking. What did I say? For
Land.
I know I do want to buy land, but not in no California.
Acres?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what it said. Acres.
I want acres, bro. I want to have shit for my kids. You feel me? Like I want to have acres, so like they be like my great papa did that.
Yeah.
We got all them pigeons. We got all of them. Damn, it's more of them. How many y'all think is over there? Like 50? Definitely like 100. God damn. That's not even the area I was talking about. But we're gonna get some bevs.
Careful.
Oh my gosh. My God, like boy, if you don't get your fucking stinky ass hands off me.
what's up, buddy? How you doing? Take a picture.
Sorry, sir. I'll take a picture. You got your phone. Take a picture. I just want to touch it. I just want to touch him. Ooh. Yeah, Jeff.
That's a nice picture of the
Yeah, make sure you take a photo of my man's Jeff. The face Jeff making. This nigga really used the fucking iguana as an AK. Crazy. Okay, let him know. Look at all these pigeons.
Wait, did you want to You gotta buy the food over there. You got $2, I think she'll give you change.
He didn't even need the food.
Okay, James, I see you.
Cause they going over there.
Oh shit, got the camera.
Okay, Jay.
Okay, Jay. How you doing, bro? You coolin'?
What's his name?
His name Pete, bro.
Oh my God.
Pigeon man.
Yeah, that's you. This nigga, the bird whisperer. Straight vibes, man. Straight vibes. I love it here, bro. Ah, no! Oh, my phone. No. Stop. Don't. I'm getting out the way. They try to land on me. Look at these niggas over here. Look at them over there. I can't stabilize it. Oh my God. Okay, we there. Look at them right there. He really the bird whisperer over there. Look. That's his man's. His name probably Jerome. Now, how was your experience? Hey, I saw you over there.
A bird called swabbing on me. That was fire.
All right, let's go get some lean bay though.
They don't really want that lean bay.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Oh shit. The bird whisperer.
Oh shit! Oh no, he bringing. Oh my God!
Pigeon man.
Oh, hold
Come
up.
now.
Okay, James.
Move it. James, look over here.
Damn, he really the pigeon man. Damn, the other one. Damn.
I'm sorry I don't got no food, bro. They fighting.
Damn.
Oh, you trying to bite me? Alright, y'all good. Y'all got it.
I'm fucking with you.
Yo, I got my lean bay. I needed this, bro. Listen, every time I come to Puerto Rico, I gotta get this, bro. Every time. Ain't that right now, yeah? Ain't that right now, yeah? Hey, why you make that face? See, she put a flower in my head. I'm crying. Period, we on vacation, you know? Period. We on the ferry with it. No, I'm not. We on the ferry with it.
Push your ass off the boat.
What you say?
I will push your ass off the boat.
That, caught that. Now if I get pushed off the boat, y'all know who done it.
It wasn't me.
Just
I'm
look.
not getting out that water for shit.
Oh man, look at this, y'all. James, I'm surprised you. Alright, we in a little restaurant, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to get me some chicharrones de pollo, pasteleo, pina colada. It's my fucking attempt trying to do a fucking Spanish accent. It's crazy.
How y'all doing? Y'all chilling on his vlog? No, I'm vlogging myself too. Y'all going to Buffalo.
What was that beach
Fuck his vlog.
I'm like, what he say fuck me for?
Yo, look what we got. We got the eats. I got a lobster pasteleo, some rice and beans, some fried chicken. They got some pork. That's on this. This on fire. We about to take this food something viciously, so we're not even going to record it.
Oh no, I'm
Bro, this nigga never have his shoes on, bro. This nigga never have his fucking shoes on. That's what I'm saying. He didn't want to get his forces wet, so he thought it was a smart idea to fucking... Damn, look how wet his socks are. God damn. Damn, he's leaving a footprint. Damn. Gang out of pocket, bro. And look, I got forces on too. I didn't take my shit off. This shit look cleaner now. I ain't gonna lie. Why my laces look cleaner? Look at that man Jordan over there.
Jordan.
Oh, that's crazy. Look at Jeff. Jeff. Jay. My niggas always looking up like that. Like they all did like a similar face. They some niggas, man. Shit crazy. Jeff, nigga got no socks. Nigga got no socks. Forces with no socks. He rolled dog in the forces. Where the yarn at?
Can I put them on? It's good. You already. That's so cool. I don't know why you.
I don't know why he took that shit off, bro. For real, for real.
I'm making it memorable. Dirty.
They don't.
Really did that, bro.
That's crazy. Record me next.